Today we are replacing this old and ugly handrail. It is rusted, it's falling apart, it's held together with literal zip ties, ugly, unsafe, and it needs to go. I started off with measuring where I wanted to put the post anchors. Right here, I'm just visualizing it, setting up, making sure it is where I want it to be, double checking my measurements before I start to drill into the concrete. This is where I'm going to put my wedge anchors and what is going to support the post, okay? Clearing out the holes, making sure it looks good. Here I am cutting the post to 40 inches in length because I want a little bit of a lip for the handrail. After that, I secured my wedge anchors fully in with a drill. I came back later with a socket wrench. This is what it looks like before I came back with the socket wrench. Here I am truly tightening it down with the socket wrench, making sure that the wedge anchors are fully expanded, checking for any light leaks, any unevenness, any issues that may occur, making sure it looks good. One final walk through right here, double checking that the posts are where I want it to be. Maybe I want to move to the left or to the right a little bit. Just want to double check that. And there were no issues, so I did not need to move it anywhere. After this, I then started to secure the post itself to the base. While doing this, I was leveling it, making sure it stays plumb the entire time while I was screwing it in. That's why I go up and down so many times. Here I'm doing a little bit of a pump fake while I cut the railing, making sure that my angle is correct, the railing length is correct. Measure twice and cut once. That is the exact logic I used here. The railing fit amazingly. It was nice and snug in there, as you can see right here. Could not have been any better. Fit perfectly. The angles were correct. The length was correct. Everything about it turned out amazing. The next day I came back and I screwed in the bottom railing, making sure it was fully secure before moving on to the next step, which was placing the balusters or spindles, wherever you want to call them, in, and making sure that it looks good and is where I want it to be before I make the final cut, because there's holes at the bottom of this railing, as you can see. I want to make sure that's lined up. Cutting it to length right here, making sure that the angle is correct, the length is correct, everything that needs to be correct is correct, which it was. So I had no issues. I installed the railing, did a test fit, making sure everything was perfect once again, and this is how it turned out. Far better than the old rusty unsafe railing that was there before. This is way more modern, way more cleaner, way more safer, just overall better in my opinion. I like the way it turned out. The client was happy. I was happy because look at it. It looks so much better compared to what was there before. All right. Before I left, I made sure that the railing was truly secure by falling on it, making sure it did its job as it should and as I would expect it to. And it did. It held up completely well, held up amazingly, actually. Could support my body weight. I was happy. The client was happy. This is a job well done.